покажи. Все вы нелегалы как один. Ты по гражданским арестам, понял? Америка — страна возможностей, а я воспользуюсь возможностью. Послать тебя обратно через границу, откуда ты приперся. What?
Very good, Joseph. Real fine. We'll make a civilian protector of our nation's borders from undesirable elements of you. Sorry, citizen, just a training exercise.
Ah, okay. Well, I'm so glad that you patriots are out here defending this fine American desert sand.
Well, thank you.
When you could be in town fucking some girls and further destroying the gene pool.
Hey, there's a real problem here.
Да, люди мотивированы необходимостью прокормить свои семьи. Едут сюда работать по-черному за копейки и прут в эту страну.
It's a disaster. And that's why we formed the Civil Border Patrol. Wait. A Patriot meter's going off. Huh? Come on, both of you. We got some illegals over them hills. Come on, you drive. You drive, let's go. Come on, get in the back. What's your name, citizen? Joe, that there's Joseph. Trevor. Okay, Trevor. Well, it's saying we need to head for the Yellow Jack Inn.
Oh, good. They love me in there.
I'm definitely getting a strong reading. The Patriot meter predicts undesirables with up to 79% accuracy.
Surely this is a sick joke. I mean, I love hanging with freaks, but you two losers cannot be for real.
Unfortunately, this is as real as it gets. These people are criminals who threaten our way of life and drive down our property prices.
Они думают, что могут приехать сюда в поисках лучшей жизни для себя и своей семьи. Это противоречит Конституции.
Come one, come all, I say. This country's got bigger problems to deal with.
Well, that's because you've been brainwashed by the secular media. Don't you worry, no, we'll convert you. My brother showed some, well, let's just call it sexual weakness in his younger days. But now he's a happily married man with 3 children, and he rarely acts out. Well, they must be inside. Go see if you can flush them out, Trevor.
Is there any place in the world I'd rather be than drunk at the skunk at the Alamo Sea?
Oh, this is pointless. Everyone in here has done something illegal.
Hey, Trevor, get out here now. Get in that car, let's go. Damn, we're gonna lose them. Come on, Trevor. Go. Let's bring him in, boys. Here, take the stun gun.
Really?
Nobody needs to die here. We're civilized people. You're driving like a female. Now hit the gas.
Oxe, como assim, caralho? Nem prestei atenção no que aconteceu ali.
Go. Let's bring him in, boys. Here, take the stun gun.
Really?
Nobody needs to die here. We're civilized people. Can you believe they're singing? It's like they don't even care. You can keep your socialist foul into revolution and discontent to yourself.
Hold on your pointed hats. We're taking the scenic route.
They're on to themselves.
One, yeah.
Keep those stun guns at the ready, my friend. They're probably gang members. I heard that some of these undesirables are trafficking illegal guns into our very peaceful country.
Now who would think like that? Sounds like they're having a lot more fun in their car.
Look at them.
Boy, yeah.
Oh, my Lord. Drunk out of their mind on Uncle Sam's.
Caramba.
Население страны и осквернение коренного населения. Это не по-американски.
Ah, mas não deu errado não porque o carro capotou, velho. Pelo amor de Deus.
Go! Let's bring him in, boys. Here, take the stun gun. Really? Nobody needs to die here. We're civilized people. Mariachi singers, the worst of the bunch. You know, you can't take a subway in peace in Liberty City these days.
Hold on your pointed hat. We're taking the scenic route.
They're a law unto themselves. Hey, you, stop the vehicle. This is a citizen's arrest. Well, of course they wouldn't understand me. Now, would they, Joseph?
Они отказываются ассимилироваться.
I don't know. They come here taking our job.
All those mariachi singer jobs have been stolen.
They don't just take one. No. Some of them are doing 2 or 3 thankless little pay jobs to support their families. It's an outrage. Can you believe they're singing? It's like they don't even care. You can keep your socialist ballad to revolution and discontent to yourself. Go subdue those illegals, Trevor. I want to see how you handle it. Stun gun.
What did they do?
What the heck?
Dios mío.
Sorry about that, pal.
Don't apologize to them. They're the ones breaking the law here. Oh, very nice, Trevor. Respectful but firm. We can handle it from here. Get in the vehicle. You've had your fun. It's time to go home.
Okay. Do what you say.
Come on now. Some of us have to work for a living. Well, thanks for the help, citizen. America's a little bit safer because of you.
Y a las cholitas que les gusta nuestra música.